Hello friends, welcome to Gyan Mandir. Today we are going to discuss about the meaning of ICT and importance of ICT in the field of education. First we discussed about the concept of ICT, information and communication technology. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Information technology includes technology used for collecting, processing, manipulating, storing, and protecting data. The processed data is known as information. What is information? The processed data is known as information. Communication technology refers to the use of technology for telecommunication, broadcasting, media, audiovisual processing, and for transmitting information through wired or wireless networks. It includes the internet, wireless networks, phones, and so on. Using these, we can have real time interactions in the form of chats, voice, and video calls, even with people at geographically distant places. Technology has shrunk the world into a global village. Thus, today distance is no longer a barrier. ICT is a combination of IT and CT, which data can be collected, stored, manipulated, processed, and shared through the use of computer, internet, networks, etc. IT means information technology and CT means communication technology. Other than, we can access so many things through ICT like online shopping, net banking, online access to government services, work from home, etc. These are all possible because of ICT. Then comes to the point definition of ICT. UNESCO. UNESCO has defined ICT as forms of technology that are used to transmit, process, store, create, display, share, or exchange information by electronic means. It includes not only traditional technologies like radio and television, but also modern ones like cellular phones, computer and network, hardware and software, satellite system, and so on, as well as the various services and the applications associated with them, such as video conferencing. There are so many definitions of ICT, but here we discuss some important definition of ICT. Second definition of ICT is Information and Communication Technology or ICT is defined as the use of hardware and software for efficient management of information like storage, retrieval, processing, communication, diffusion, and sharing of information for social, economical, and cultural upliftments. Then comes to discuss another definition of ICT. Third definition of ICT: Information and Communication Technology is an extended term for information technology which stresses the role of unified communications and the integration of telecommunications, computers, as well as necessary enterprise software, middleware, storage, and audiovisual systems which enables users to access, store, transmit, and manipulate information. Then comes to discuss another definition of ICT, fourth definition of ICT: Information and Communication Technology or ICT is defined as the combination of informatic technology with other related technologies, specifically communication technology. Then comes to discuss about the importance of ICT in the field of education. What are the role of ICT in the field of education? Education is one major sector which has undergone the influence of innovations in ICT, starting from providing online content service, platform for organizing learning experiences to managing learning and assessment has been changed greatly by ICT developments. Students, teachers, and educational administrators and every stakeholder in education have been benefited by the integration of ICT in education. ICT is extended term for information technology, which is a technological source to make information available at the right time, right place, in the right form to the right user. Information and communication technology in schools can be used as a school communication tool to improve student learning and better teaching techniques. With the advancement of technology in education, schools adopt school communication software to transmit, store, share, or exchange information. This school communication software uses computers, the internet, and multimedia as the medium of communication. Then comes to discuss about some headers through which we can betterly understood the importance of ICT in the field of education. First point, computer based learning. Computer based learning is one of the modules of school communication tool that helps students to enhance their learning skills through computer aided education. It imparts computer knowledge in students and enabled them to obtain large amounts of information from various websites. Second point, internet. Internet tools like email, social networks, news groups, and video transmission have connected the world like never before. Students can now communicate using emails and social networking groups that provide knowledge based information. Distance learning, online learning is also enabled through the internet. Students can learn online and also talk to experts online. Notes, readings, tutorials, assignments can be received by students from anywhere. The internet provides major information in texts, audios, videos, and graphics which can be accessed by the individual. Online learning allows students to interact with each other and faculty to interact with students. Third point, classroom learning. With the introduction of ICT in education, classroom learning is one attribute that makes learning experiential and experimental to students. Students can listen to the instructor or teacher, receive visual cues through PowerPoint images, handouts, and whiteboard lists and participate actively. This helps in immediate interaction and students have opportunity to ask questions and participate in live discussions. This school communication software module further benefits in building and maintaining personal and professional relationship as classroom offer greater personal contact with other students and teachers. Next point, video conferencing. This is yet another medium of communication wherein students can communicate with other students or instructors online. It enables students to become active participants in their own learning. Video conferencing is a powerful communication tool that has the potential to change the way we deliver information to students. It is just one of the today's interactive technologies that empower students to prepare for a better future. Then comes to discuss about some uses of ICT in the field of education. ICT finds its use in education for the following reasons. First point, ICT offers the wide variety of services. Second point, ICT reliable and provides interactive learning experiences. Third point, ICT assists students in accessing digital information and motivates students to learn. Fourth point, ICT promotes collaborative learning in a distance learning environment. Fifth point, ICT is flexible and provides comfortable learning. Next point, ICT improves the quality of teaching and learning. Next point, ICT facilitates communication and promotes creativity. Next point, ICT supports teaching by facilitating access to course content. Last point, ICT also provides access to the digital library where information can be retrieved and stored beyond textbooks. This is all about the concept of ICT and importance of ICT in the field of education and uses of ICT in the field of education. Hope you all are benefited through these classes, and if you have any doubt then ask me in the comment section, and if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon through which you can get notification of new videos. For getting PDF of these classes, you can join my Telegram channel which name is Gyan Mandir. Thank you.